friends online, love having you back. In this exciting episode, we have this sequence 9, 18, 27, and our goal is to get the 5th term. Today I am showing you two methods to solve this problem. The first method is called the manual method. This method is perfect for short arithmetic sequences. Look at the problem. Since each term increases by 9 from the previous one, this 9 is called the common difference. The first term in the arithmetic sequence is equal to 9, and we can get the second term by adding 9 to the first term. So the second term is equal to 9 plus 9, which equals 18. And we can get the third term by adding 9 to the second term, 18 plus 9, which equals 27. And so on. We can get the fourth term by adding 9 to the third term. So the fourth term is equal to 27 plus 9, which equals 36. And the fifth term is equal to 36 plus 9, which equals 45. By the same method, we can get the sixth term, which equals to 45 plus 9, which equals 54. And the seventh term is equal to 54 plus 9, which equals 63. And in our problem, the required term is the 5th term, which equals 45. And this was the manual method solution for this problem. Now, our time to solve the problem by using the formula method. In this method, we use the formula an equals a plus n minus 1 times d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference and n is the required term. From our problem, the first term a equals 9 and the common difference d equals 9 and the required term n equals 5. We substitute into the formula by the values of a, d, and n, and we get that a5 equals 9 plus 5 minus 1 times 9, which equals 9 plus 4 times 9, which equals 45. And this was the solution by using the formula method. Join the fun, like, subscribe, and share this video.